Watch repair mat. Lay the work mat flat during use. It can effectively prevent the watch from scratches and bumps. You can also use it to wipe watches, spring bars, and other tiny accessories. Scratch guard film. It protects watches from scratches during disassembly and assembly, and eliminates static electricity caused by metal friction. Just wrap the anti-scratch film around the watch dial or watch band for use. .03 spring bar tool. Twist the nut to release the tip. Install the V-tip or O-tip as needed, then fasten with the nut. Warning: tips are sharp. Take care not to hurt yourself during installation. Small V-tip for thin metal watch bands. Large V-tip for leather watch straps. Round O-tip for removing hold spring bars. Metal link remover. Before adjusting the watch band, push out the connecting pin following the arrow mark. Wrong direction will jam the pin inside the hole. Align the band pin hole with the remover tip at the same height when adjusting the strap. If heights don't line up, turn the dial to level it. After aligning heights, aim the remover tip straight at the band pin hole. Turn the screw to push the link pin out. Pull out the link pin and remove extra links. Unscrew the shaft and take off the thin tip. Fit the thick replacement tip onto the screw shaft. Screw the shaft back into the mini metal remover. Next, put the watch band links back together. Pay attention to the two different ends before inserting the connecting pin. Insert the thin end of the link pin against the arrow. Then lay the watch band flat on the remover. Twist the screw to push the pin fully into the watch band. Push the link pin fully flat. Done. Watch band holder, single pin link adjuster plus mini hammer. Tips are replaceable. Twist the tip to take it off or install a new one. Slots: 3mm, 4mm, 4.5mm, 5.5mm. The cutout at the bottom helps push out link pins. Before removing links, flip the band so the arrow marks face downward. Align the band pin hole with the hole on the block. Blocked holes will stop you pushing out the link pin. Aim the tip of the single pin remover at the band pin hole. Tap the flat end of the remover with the small hammer until the sharp tip sinks fully into the pinhole. Pull out the connecting pin and take off the extra watch link. Then reassemble the watch band links. Remember to tell the two ends apart when putting the pin back. Insert the thin end of the link pin against the arrow. Clip the watch band onto the holder block, this time the arrows face upward. Tap the link pin into the hole with the rubber hammer. Finished.